In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure MX, SPF, DKIM for Cloudflare domain. By the end, you'll have the essential DNS records in place so your domain can send and receive email reliably, and your messages are more likely to land in the inbox. First, sign into your Cloudflare account. On your dashboard, click the domain you want to configure. This opens the domain overview. From here, go to the DNS section. You'll see the records area where all of your domain's DNS entries live. Let's start with the MX record, which tells the internet where to deliver email for your domain. In the records area, choose MX as the record type. For name, most setups use the root of the domain, often shown as the @ symbol. For mail server, paste the mail host your email provider gave you, such as a server like mail.yourprovider.com. Set the priority according to your provider's instructions. If you have only one MX record, a common priority is 10. Save the record. If your provider gave you more than one MX, repeat this with each host and the specified priorities. MX records aren't proxied through Cloudflare, so it's normal not to see an orange cloud toggle here. Next, we'll add the TXT records for SPF and DKIM. These help mail providers verify your messages and reduce spoofing. For SPF, select TXT as the type. Set name to the root of the domain. In the content box, paste the SPF policy your email provider supplied. It always starts with vSPF1 and typically includes mechanisms like includeyourprovider.com, ending with all or all. If your provider gave you a single complete SPF string, use it as is. Save the record. Be sure you only have one SPF TXT record for the root. If you already have one, combine the authorized senders into a single policy rather than creating duplicates. For DKIM, add another TXT record. For name, use the selector your provider gave you, followed by botchat domain key. It will look like selector.domain key. In content, paste the long DKIM key string that starts with vDKIM1 and includes the public key. Save the record. Keep the entire DKIM value on one line with no extra spaces. That's it for the DNS setup. Changes can take a little time to propagate. If email doesn't flow right away, wait and then recheck for typos in host names, priorities, and TXT values. When available, use your email provider's built-in DNS checker to confirm that MX, SPF, and DKIM are all detected and valid. Once they show as correct, you're good to go. As